Eastern PA weather, 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for May 19th, 2017 for your Friday. One more day of this warmth before this cold front that you can see clearly draped here. This is going to be moving off to the southeast, and high pressure that is off in the Atlantic will be forced to retreat further southeast, and that means the heat wave that we've been experiencing over the past couple of days will come to an end. There could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm across parts of the area today, but it's a very low chance, 20% chance or less of this occurring. So we left it out of the forecast for most areas, but in some areas we have a 20% chance, just to mention the possibility for the shower or storm. Here is the future simulated radar starting off at 2 p.m. Again, maybe just an isolated shower or so across northeastern Pennsylvania here, but I think the bulk of the activity will be further to the south this evening as that front sags off to the south. There could be a few thunderstorms popping over northern Maryland, Delaware, and extreme southern New Jersey as we head toward the evening hours, but then that's out of here, and it for precipitation with this cold front. So there's the global models are showing very isolated stuff here, and as it moves off to the southeast, that becomes more isolated and focused more across northern Maryland, Delaware, and extreme southern New Jersey later in the day. So temperatures look like this today. We're going to be very warm again, looking to hit 90 again in the I-95 corridor right here from Baltimore, Washington, up to Philadelphia and Newark. And then areas north and west in the suburbs, you're probably getting the middle to upper 80s. And then when the front comes through, the front's going to come through here a little bit earlier, moving off to the southeast. So you can see central PA stuck in the 70s from State College up to Williamsport. And even up in northeastern PA, we'll probably get up in the mid to upper 70s and near 80 degrees. And it'll still be a very warm day, but it's not as warm as we'll be further south and east on the leeward side of the front, before it moves to the south and east and dries us out. Once the front goes through in all areas this evening, humidity will lower and temperature will drop down, and it'll be a nice night overnight. We go past this point, get to Saturday. We have partly cloudy skies here on Saturday. Temperatures are going to be in the lower 70s for the most part across the region, but partly cloudy skies and a nice afternoon on Saturday. Now Sunday, we've been talking about this in the past couple of videos. We're going to have high pressure that's going to move offshore just to our east, and the return flow around this high pressure is going to create a southeasterly wind, and that's a little bit of a marine influence. So temperatures are going to be held in check along the shore points from Delaware up to Sandy Hook here in New Jersey, but it also will have an increase in clouds especially in the afternoon. Mostly cloudy to overcast skies across our eastern zones, probably mostly cloudy, become partly to mostly cloudy in the middle, and then partly cloudy in the western zone. So out central PA is your best chance to see the most sun, and as you work your way further eastward closer to the shore points, it becomes more overcast, and that's because of that influence of high pressure. So no precipitation Sunday, but this front off to our west here is going to make its way in a little bit earlier than projected, so that's going to come in on Sunday night. Now here's a look at after midnight. You have some showers, perhaps an embedded thunderstorm coming through again in the wee hours of the morning, Sunday night into early Monday. And then you're going to have maybe some for our eastern sections, maybe a leftover shower Monday morning, but then skies are going to clear in the afternoon and will become partly cloudy as this front moves through. Humidity is going to lower. You're going to have a northwesterly breeze come in here that's going to set in here for Tuesday. So you're going to have another pleasant day, near normal day here on Tuesday. Not really chilly though. Temperatures are going to be actually slightly above normal here on Tuesday yet. So we get to Tuesday here. Here's a look at Tuesday. You then have this system moving that's well to our southwest across the Tennessee Valley that's going to be influencing our weather. Probably not on Wednesday, though. We're going to call it an increase in clouds on Wednesday. You can see our coverage area is mostly dry. Maybe you have to worry about the southern areas getting into some rain down in southern Delaware, southern New Jersey on Wednesday. But other than that, most areas are going to remain dry, just mostly cloudy. You're going to be in between systems here. This one is going to be the system that's going to affect us Wednesday night and Thursday, and that's going to bring us some rain and rain showers, it looks like, and that's going to hang around a little bit here on Thursday also. By the time we get to Friday to start the weekend, the holiday weekend, it does look dry, and that dry theme continues into Saturday, but we will be watching behind that as we get into Sunday. There might be some showers Sunday into Monday. We'll have to wait and see how that breaks out. You're now going to day 10 on the model, so trying to project something that far out is usually going to change, but it does look like it's going to be temperatures near normal during this time frame, near maybe slightly below normal over the holiday weekend. That's what it's looking like right now. Not too bad at all, though. It does look like temperatures are not going to be going back in the 50s and 60s like we were seeing with previous cool shots. They're now talking about near normal being in the low to middle 70s. That's what we kind of expect over the Memorial Day weekend. As it looks right now, as a snapshot, going forward from this point, which of course is 9-10 days away. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for May 19th, 2017. Have a great Friday.